Samsung phone won't turn on after an update. Don't panic. I'm going to show you the top 5 fixes that work in 90% of cases, and we're going to do this fast. Let's get your phone working again right now. First, try a forced restart. This works 40% of the time, and it's super simple. Press and hold volume down and power together for 15 full seconds. Don't let go early. Count to 15. Your phone should vibrate and restart. If that didn't work, move to solution 2. Your phone might be completely dead. Plug it into a wall charger, not a computer, using your original Samsung charger if possible. Leave it charging for 30 minutes without touching it. After 30 minutes, try the forced restart again. Volume down and power for 15 seconds. Still nothing. Solution 3. Now we're going to clear the system cache. This won't delete your data, it only removes temporary files that might be corrupted. Here's how. Turn off your phone completely, press and hold volume up and power together. When you see the Samsung logo, release power, but keep holding volume up, you'll see the recovery mode menu. Use volume down to highlight wipe cache partition, press power to select it, wait for it to complete, select reboot system now. This fixes most update issues. If your phone boots up now, you're done. Still stuck? We need solution 4. Warning, this will erase your data. Only do this if you have backups or if getting the phone working is more important than the data. From recovery mode, select wipe data factory reset. Confirm with yes. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Select reboot system now. Your phone will restart like new. You'll need to set it up again, but it should be working. Still having issues? You might need firmware recovery. For the toughest cases, use Samsung Smart Switch on your computer. Download Smart Switch from Samsung's website. Connect your phone to your computer. Open Smart Switch. Click More. Then Emergency Software Recovery. Follow the prompts. It takes 30 to 60 minutes. This reinstalls your phone's entire operating system. It will erase everything, but it fixes almost any software problem. If you're dealing with Android System WebView errors or other system issues, check out the Troubleshooting guide at Android System WebView error.repair. If none of these worked and your phone shows absolutely no signs of life, no vibration, no lights, nothing, you might have a hardware problem. Check your charging port for debris, try a different cable, and if needed, get professional help. For detailed technical diagnostics and error codes, visit missojred.io. Quick recap, force restart for 15 seconds, charge 30 minutes, then restart, clear cache partition, factory reset, smart switch, emergency recovery. One of these will get your Samsung working again. Drop a comment if you have questions, like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more quick fixes. Get live tech support at https://bit.ly/ask-a-tech. Thanks for watching.